Make a quick breakfast wrap for myself and my wife, and then I do some nice fried dough with some cinnamon and sugar for my kids. Check it out. Look at that. Finally, some fresh tomatoes, fresh pico de gallo, and some hot sauce. Yum. Can't wait to eat this. Hey everybody, on Family Cooking Life. I did some ramen the other day. I'm going to upload the video soon. I am just in the middle of making my fried flatbread for my kids with some cinnamon and sugar. You know, something to start their day. Please subscribe and like Family Cooking Life, and we'll see you in the next video.